Tired of your React single-page application feeling like a black hole when it comes to website analytics? Let's dive right into how to set up Google Tag Manager, or GTM, on your React SPA to unlock powerful insights. Because tracking user behavior on a single-page application, which only loads one HTML page, requires a slightly different approach than traditional websites. First, head over to Google Tag Manager and create a new account if you don't already have one. Then set up a container for your website. Once you've created your container, Google Tag Manager will provide you with two code snippets. The first snippet, which includes the script tag, should be placed as high in the head of your website's HTML as possible, while the second snippet should be placed immediately after the opening body tag. In a React application, you'll typically find the index.html file in the public directory, so go ahead and open index.html and paste the two snippets into the appropriate locations. Now, to track page views properly in your SPA, you'll need to implement virtual page views, as traditional page load triggers won't work. Within your React components, particularly where your routes change, use the data layer push method to send a virtual page view event to the data layer, including the page URL. For example, when a user navigates to a new section, push an event with the corresponding URL. This will signal Google Tag Manager that a virtual page view has occurred. Back in Google Tag Manager, create a new trigger with the trigger type set to custom event and name it Virtual Page View. Then, set the event name to Virtual Page View, which matches the event name you pushed in your React components. Now, create a new tag and set the tag type to Google Analytics Universal Analytics or GA4, depending on which one you're using. Set the track type to Page View and configure your Google Analytics settings. And under triggering, select the Virtual Page View trigger you just created. Finally, enter preview mode in Google Tag Manager to test your setup and navigate through your React application and check if the virtual page view events are firing correctly. And that's it. You've successfully implemented Google Tag Manager on your React SPA using virtual page views.